Namaste children. So in the last class we completed exercise 5.2 till question number 8. So we continue now in this session from question number 9. Question number 9 says if the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So he is asking in this AP which term of AP is 0. So I have to search whether 0 is there or not and which term is 0. So given A3 is 4, that is A plus 2D equal to 4, and given ninth term is minus 8, A plus 8D equals to minus 8. So again we got two linear equations in two variables. So as everyone know how to eliminate and find A and D. So let us eliminate A by subtracting. So we get minus 6D equals to 12. So D equals to minus 2. And substitute D equal to minus 2 in equation 1 or 2. So I substituted in 1. So A plus 2D equal to 4. That is A plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. A minus 4 equal to 4. So A equals to 8. So I got A as 8 and D as minus 2. So now he is asking in the question that which term of AP is 0. So we don't know which term. So whenever we don't know, so let us assume that it will be AN. So let AN be equal to 0. So expand AN, A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. So A is 8 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. Send 8 on RHS becomes 0 minus 8 minus 8 and bring minus 2 to the denominator. So N minus 1 is 4. So N equal to 4 plus 1, that is N equals to 5. So what we can conclude from this? We can conclude that fifth term of this AP is 0, that is A5 is 0. If you want you can expand A5 and check whether you get 0 or not. So the next question is 10th question, says the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So find the common difference. So see the question carefully children. So ATQ means according to question I can write 17th term means what? A17 of an AP exceeds means more, exceeds its 10th term. 10th term means A10 by 7 means 7 is more than 10th term to get 17th term. So write this equation according to the given data and expand it. A plus 16D, you can write A17 as A plus 16D and A10 can be written as A plus 19D plus 7. So here A he has not given, so we are not required to find A because we can cancel A. When I bring A this side it becomes minus A, so A and A gets cancelled. Bring 9D on left side, so 16D minus 9D is 7D equal to 7. So after cancellation we get D equals to 1. So he asked the common difference, so we got the common difference as 1. The next question is which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 etc. will be 132 more than its 54th term. So here according to this AP first let us find A and D. So what is A here? 3. Common difference is 15 minus 3, that is 12. And according to question write which term, we don't know again which term. So let me take the term be AN. So which term of AP means AN will be, in place of will be or is we can write in mathematically equal. Which term of AP will be 132 more than means plus its 54th term, that is A54. I hope everyone understood how to write the equation. So this says that which term of AP will be 132 more means plus its 54th term. Now we need to find N here. So expand this. AN can be written as A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 132 plus A54 is A plus 53D. So no need of substituting A in this, even though we know A. So So not necessary to substitute, because when I bring a on RHS it becomes minus a, so I can cancel a on both sides. So the remaining is n minus 1 into 12 equals to 132 plus 53. In place of d you have 12, so 53 into 12 is 636. Add it, we get 768. So n minus 1 equals to 768 divided by 12. So we get 64. So send minus 1 this side, we get plus 1, that is n is 65. So what we can conclude, children? We got n as 65. Therefore we assumed let it be an. So we got n as 65. So an is nothing but now a65. So we can conclude that 65th term of the AP is 132 more than 54th term. So I repeat here, in place of an you can write 65. Again repeat this, 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. So the answer is 65th term. According to his question, 65th term will satisfy his data. So we move to the next 12th question. Says that two APs have same common difference. Two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Here concentrate, children, because little bit here we have two APs here. Concentrate. So here I have to consider two APs. So I am considering let A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 be the two APs. This is first AP and this is second AP. As we don't know any numbers, so we can assume with unknown variables. So given what he has given, difference of their 100th term means the 100th term of first AP minus 100th term of second AP is 100. So that is the meaning of that. Difference means what? Minus 100th term means 100th term of first minus 100th term of second. So what will be the 100th term of first AP? Because I have written A1, A2, it can be A100 minus, because I have taken B1, B2 here, so we can take as B100. Means every time we use AN, A1, A2 as to tell the terms, because here my second AP is in, I am using as B, so you can use the letter instead of A, B here. So this is A100 is the 100th term of first AP and B100 is the 100th term of second AP. So according to question, its difference is 100 as given. So write the equation, A100 minus B100 equal to 100. Now expand this, A plus 99D minus bracket open. Why we have to open the bracket? Because it is binomial. So minus B plus 99D equals to 100. Now open the brackets and simplify. A plus 99D minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus equal to 100. So you can see here 99D plus 99D and minus 99D gets cancelled. So it's remaining A minus B equal to 100. So we got one equation in two variables, that is A is the first term of first AP and B is the first term of second AP. So we got the difference of first terms is 100. Now what we need to find? We need to find what is the difference between their 1000th term. So according to question, difference of their 1000th term is, what you will write? A1000 minus B1000. So what is meaning of A1000? A plus 999D minus bracket open, B1000 is B plus 999D. Now simplify this with by opening the bracket. So we get minus B minus 999. Now you can see here plus 999D minus 999D gets cancelled. So what is remaining? A minus B. So we already found out the value of A minus B. What is value of A minus B? 100. So here also I can replace from 1, that is 100. So what you can conclude? The difference of their 1000th term is also 100. So why we are getting like this answer? Because here he has mentioned that the common difference of both the APs is same. Therefore, we get the same answer as he has given in the difference of 100th term. So we can conclude difference of their 1000th term, that is A 1000 minus B 1000 is also 100. Thank you children.